Okay, after picking your product, let's set some text. We go to the text button. We'll click on that, and it'll bring down the controls for text. We're going to cover just kind of the basics, creating it, how to pick a font, how to change the color. There are text effects to do curves, bridges, all sorts of different effects. And once you've created that effect, you can then control it from the settings for how much arc, how much whatever. You can also add inlines, outlines over here in different colors. But for this, we'll just do the basics. So let's put fly. And we'll do something that says Fly Dover Air. And we'll create it because we're going to use some clip art in there eventually. So let's put this up here. Let's pick a different font for it. Let's say we want it to be something kind of fun. That may be too fun. That's the beauty of this. You can just play around and get whatever you like and change it to it. Now, just for sake here, let's give this a bit of an arc, and we want that arc to be slightly more. We'll make this bigger. Now arcs tend to not be straight when you put them on. You have to rotate them slightly, so we'll do that. Now I don't like that color. I want it to be white, and then that looks about right. Now let's add air. And we want that to be the same font and color just for our example here. So we'll go back to Squealer. And you'll note up here it shows us the colors used in the design. So if you have a blue, when you go back, that blue will be up there. So you can be sure you're picking exactly the same color and don't have 5 or 6 variations of a blue in there. Now for now, that'll work. If I hit this, it's going to take and get rid of the border so I can see what it looks like. There are controls here for moving things forward and backwards, and also centering and reversing. Let's use the center one to make sure that these are all centered correctly. If I want to see what something looked like, I can hit the magnifying glass, and that's going to give me a blow-up of it, which is very nice, particularly if you're using the inline outline features. You can, as I said, rotate this. You can scale it. You can delete it. When you click out of the box, you can click up here to create another box. If you want one of these to make them active, it's just a matter of clicking on them. And that's about it for text. Now we'll go on to the next segment, which is adding some clip art.